Welcome to today's tutorial on how to view settings on Gmail using your PC, especially with the new updates. Let's dive right in. First, fire up your web browser and head to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your email address and password to access your inbox. Once you're in, take a moment to appreciate the sleek new interface. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on that gear icon. This will open a drop-down menu with a few options. It's all designed to make your email experience smoother, whether you want to adjust your inbox type, change themes, or manage your general settings. Now, to access all the detailed settings, you need to click on See All Settings. This option is located at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Once you click it, you'll be taken to a new screen where all the magic happens. Here, you can customize your Gmail experience to suit your needs. From general labels and inbox settings to accounts and import, filters, and more, you have complete control over how your Gmail functions. Feel free to explore each tab and make the adjustments that will help streamline your emailing process. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the Gmail settings on your PC with just a few simple clicks. Enjoy tailoring your email experience, and don't hesitate to revisit these settings whenever you need to make updates. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.